Hazrat Ayyub Sakhtiyani says that Abu Qilaba said to me, "Why don't you see Amr bin Salama and asked him his affairs?" Ayyub narrates, "I met him, Amr bin Salama, and asked him about his embracing Islam. So he said, we were residing by a spring where there was a thoroughfare for the people. When the caravans would pass by us, we would ask them, 'How are the people? How are the people?' and asked, 'How is that man, Allah's beloved?' They would reply, 'He claims that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commissioned him as an apostle, and revelation is sent to him, or Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has revealed this to him.' So I would learn their talk by heart and feel as if it had been deposited with my chest. The Arabs were waiting for the conquest of Makkah in order to embrace Islam. They would say, 'Let him and his people deal with each other. If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sways dominance over them, he will be a true prophet.' When Makkah had been conquered, every people wished to precede others in embracing Islam. So my father also preceded my people in embracing Islam. So when he returned after embracing Islam, he said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have come from a true prophet. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, perform this prayer at this time, and this prayer at this time, and when the time of a prayer becomes due, one of you should pronounce the prayer call, and the one amongst you who has learnt the Quran the most should lead the people in the prayer.' When our people looked for it, there was none who knew the Quran more than I did, for I would learn it from the caravans. So they made me lead them in the prayer when I was only 6 or 7 years old, as I had only one garment on my body. When I prostrated myself, it would get hitched up. So a woman from the tribe said to the people, 'Why don't you conceal the buttocks of your Quran reader from us?' So they brought a piece of cloth and stitched a shirt for me. I had never felt as much felicity on getting anything as I felt on getting this shirt." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4302.